Integrating HubSpot with easy texting. Close deals faster by managing a suite of productivity-boosting tools, multi-step campaign cycles, and SMS marketing workflows through Easy Texting's partnership with HubSpot, a leading CRM tool and growth platform. We'll show you how to set up easily. No tech skills required. Just be sure you already have a paid HubSpot account. On your Easy Texting homepage, in the left navigation, first click on Tools, then on Integrations. Find HubSpot and tap Connect. Tap Connect again to be redirected to HubSpot. Then follow the prompts to log in and authorize. If you have multiple HubSpot accounts, select which one to integrate with another simple click. This directs you to the permission page. Ready to start and enhance productivity among sales, marketing, and customer service? If so, then click Connect App. Congrats! You've successfully integrated your Easy Texting account with HubSpot and can seamlessly set up workflows and trigger SMS automation. If you wish to automatically sync your contacts to your Easy account nightly directly from your HubSpot account, then simply hit Sync Contacts. If you change your mind, no worries. You can disconnect the sync at any time. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.